Retinitis pigmentosa is a retinal degenerative disease. I am Dr. Goyal speaking from Sanjeevan for Perfect Eyesight, Bombay. Today's topic is what is retinitis pigmentosa, an introduction of the disease. Retinitis pigmentosa is a genetic retinal degenerative disease which is genetic in origin and it causes the degeneration of the retinal cells, especially the rod cells. First, we'll understand what is retina. Retina is the backmost layer of the eye, which is photosensitive light, photosensitive layer. When any object is there in front of the eye, we come to know what object is that by retina only. Because this is the camera given by the nature and this is the studio given by the nature. Any object comes in front of us, we see through the retina, the message passes on to the brain by optic nerve and brain processes and tells us what it is. Retina has two parts, center and periphery. Center part is called as macula, 2 to 3 millimeter area. Center of the macula is called as fovea centralis, 0.2 to 0.3 millimeter area that has cone cells. They are cone in structure, they mimic cone in structure, so they are called as cone cells, which are responsible for day vision, fine vision and color vision. There are 6 to 7 billion cone cells in center part of retina, or you can say macular fovea centralis. Periphery part of the retina is made up of rods. There are 120 to 130 million rods are there in the peripheral part of the retina. Their function is seeing in the darkness, night vision, movement in the darkness, coming down from the steps, depth perception, side vision, peripheral vision, etc. Now this disease, which is genetic, mostly this is inherited from family to family, from generation to generation, that comes in the coming generation, that is genetic. But 50% of the people are not having any family history. So they may be during the DNA divisions or the genes, distribution of the genes, they causes the problem. But the mutation of the genes can be the cause of this disease that can happen, which is not having any family history. But that is sure the genetic origin is the genetic disease. Till now, the cure is not possible of this disease in any way. But treatment is possible that we provide in Sanjeevan for Perfect Eyesight, that we will talk in other video. So the treatment is possible means the whatever symptoms of the diseases can be rectified, can be given benefit to the patient, and the vision loss or the deterioration of vision can be stopped or reduced, and the type of vision loss is that can be prevented. But now today we are talking about the retinitis pigmentosa, not about the treatment. That is another video will be there. So what happens in the disease? The rod cells are affected by the disease, so peripheral vision loss is there. As I said, rods are in the periphery of the retina. They start getting degenerated, dystrophy due to this disease. There are certain other theories are there that rod cells produce some neuroprotective substance which protect the cone from the degeneration or from dystrophy. But when they start dying, the rods start dystrophied, rod cells start dystrophied, that substance reduces. The quantity of the substance get reduced because the rod cells are not there. They are dystrophying, so their cells are limited. So the cone cell start also getting dystrophied. When the cone cell start dystrophied, then the central work, the day vision, fan vision, color vision also get affected. As I said, mostly in typical RP, the peripheral vision loss is there, so look like the person is seeing from a tunnel. After some time, it looks like the person is seeing from a pipe, and if it also get close, the vision loss can be possible, or vision loss may be the result. The people first they start getting only light perception, and then also it goes on vision. But dead disease. When the central part get affected, then they are having a problem with the straight vision, fine vision, color vision. Otherwise, by center they can see. That is a typical RP. Once the center and periphery both are getting involved, that is called as atypical RP, where there is no tunnel, center as well as periphery. If they are severe form of RP, that time they have not much of vision. Person or patient has only light perception. That is a severe form of disease. As I said, 1 in 4,000 people are suffering with this disease. Male, female, both can be affected by this. Some people are carrier, some are sufferer. That can be possible in the one family. They can carry to the other generation as is a genetic problem. Treatment part of this disease, there are so many theories about gene therapy and stem cells are there, but success stories are less. Not much of giving fruitful results. In Sanjeevan for Perfect Eyesight, Mumbai, we have integrated methods for this disease treatment. Integrated method means more than one therapy are used for treating this disease. Good results. Since 2004, plenty of people come from all over the world for the treatment, and they are getting much more benefit. And benefit can be tested by visual acuity. We know how much person can see the Stanley's chart and the near vision chart. Color vision testing, if the person's center part or the cones are affected, then we can judge them by the color vision testing also. As I said, day vision and fine vision, near vision chart also. We can test them by OCT, peripheral vision by perimetry or field vision test. ERG also is a tool to know about the disease severity. There are certain cells and DNA testing, that is also testing to know about the RP. Certain tests can be analyzed, but perimetry is a very good test which can be done very easily and on the routine basis. What we do in Sanjeevan for Perfect Eyesight routinely to know how the progress is there of the patient. If any deterioration of the vision can be made out from the perimetry report, which we will discuss in some other videos, how to see the peripheral vision reports or perimetry reports. That is a fantastic tool to give us idea the status of retina from inside. So, this disease is a genetic which cure is not possible, but treatment can be possible. Maintaining the vision also is very important in the disease like retinitis pigmentosa, and improving the vision is a lottery to the patient, or is a very good achievement for the patient, which I have seen since 2004. Plenty of people coming from all over the world, and they are improving very well. As I said, improvement is depending on how many weak cell or dormant cell the person has. They improve accordingly, but everybody improves mostly. I will talk about this disease this much only in this video. See you in the next video for other topics. If you want to contact us, you can contact on the details described below. Thank you. You can contact on 9324240702. You can visit our site www.sanjeevan.in, or you can contact us on or mail us on info@sanjeevan.in.